Oh, so bright, so bright. Hello everybody, it is Dingle here and welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? I hope you all are doing super duper well. You all, I think this is the first video that I'm posting since I posted the video yesterday with the "it's okay to not be okay" message. I just wanted to say that thank you all so much for all of your super sweet and kind comments. Seriously, I was scrolling through, I read every single one, and it just reminded me about how awesome you all are and how lucky I am to have you all as my community. It's so cool that I can't believe that we have each other on this huge, vast world that we call the internet, but it does feel very cozy and small when I realize how awesome you all are, you know? I don't know if that makes sense, but whatever. Having a pretty good day today, you guys. I woke up feeling super loved by everybody, including you all, and yeah, it's just been really good. But when I was thinking about the next video that I want to post, because I do want to continue to post videos, I love YouTube and I love editing and I love posting videos, it's one of my favorite things to do. I realized that when times are harder, if you're just having a bad day or a bad time, I don't know about you all, but I take to shopping. It's not necessarily the best habit, but it is one of my favorite things to do. I don't go like crazy and I don't get like out of hand or anything like that, but it does make me feel good to get something for myself and just treat myself a little bit. These things that I'm going to show you guys today though are not things that I just bought all at once. These are things that I have accumulated over the last month to couple of months or so, and I just wanted to gather all of them and show you all a Sephora haul, basically, that I recently accumulated. I don't know. I love watching these. I love seeing what other people get when they go to their favorite makeup stores, whether it's Ulta, Sephora, drugstore, etc. I just love watching hauls. So I thought maybe you guys would be into it. Let me know. Also, before I start, maybe I've mentioned these in my Instagram stories, on my Instagram, or maybe I've even done a full-fledged video on them. If you don't follow me on Instagram, make sure you go on over there. It's at DingleMac. Follow me over there because you can see things that I post over there. I post a lot more often than I do over here on YouTube, so go check it out. Without further ado, let's get into this. The first thing that I'm going to mention is this beauty blender. I did not buy this beauty blender myself. Well, I bought it myself, but it was actually like kind of gifted to me through a couple of our subscribers that are subscribed to myself, as well as Jack, Lizzie, and Tyler. Thank you so much for funding this purchase. They saw that my other beauty blender got torn apart by my cat, and they donated on Jack's stream for a new beauty blender for me. So that was really thoughtful and I really appreciate it. And so I got it in this really cool blue color, and I've really enjoyed a nice, clean, and new beauty blender on my face. So thank you guys. I think the next thing I'll mention is this Kat Von D Everlasting Liquid Lipstick. This is my first ever Kat Von D lipstick because I heard so many good things about their formula, and you guys, like, this isn't this color obviously, but I have Kat Von D on my lips today, and it is one of the best liquid lipstick formulas that I have put on my lips. This, as well as NYX. I love NYX so much, so if you're into that, this is very similar. It's creamy without being too drying, but it is a matte lip. Like, it feels like there's nothing on my lips right now, but I love it so much, and it gives like amazing coverage. The colors that she has are awesome. She has a huge range, but this one specifically is called Thumbelina, and it's in a range of 4 that she has that donate. I think it's 20% of proceeds go to a cause having to do with animal cruelty on farms, so bringing more of a happy life and happy lifestyle to animals living on farms. So this one was for the chickens. So I got this one. Really pretty, like red orangey color actually. Let me just swatch this. It's not necessarily like a blinding red color, it's more in the red orangey range, but I love it a lot. The next thing I'm going to show you is also a lip product, and I did a full-fledged video testing out this product that I will link below, but this is the Rihanna, it's not called Rihanna, it's like her line, you know? It's Fenty Beauty's new Mademoiselle lipstick. It is a matte lipstick hence Mademoiselle. I got it in this beautiful mauve-y color. It's looking a little bit more orangey on camera, but trust me, it's very mauve-y in person. It's called Spanked, so very scandalous. Go ahead and watch my video for more detail, but long story short, it is the creamiest matte lipstick. I'll put a little swatch. Oh my god, it's so creamy. It's so creamy. It is so beautiful. And see, yeah, it's like definitely more mauve-y color than on camera, like farther away. And I put this lipstick to the test because it does claim to be an all-day lipstick. And so I went and I had brunch with it. I had it was raining outside in Seattle. I wore it all day. I had coffee. I had all this stuff. I would say, despite everything I put it through, it lasted pretty darn well. Other than the long-lasting nature of it, it's just a really, really creamy matte lipstick. Again, like I said before, I'm into things that don't dry my lips, but I'm also into matte lipsticks, so if I could find something that is matte but doesn't dry my lips, it's always a win for me. So this was for sure a win. The next thing I'm going to mention is a concealer. It is the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer, I think is the official name, I think. Yeah, let's go with that. It's really good, you guys. I also did a full-fledged video of this comparing this concealer to the super well-known, famous on all beauty things, the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. And so I did half of my face with the NARS Natural Illuminating Radiant, whatever this is called, concealer, and then I did half of my face with the Shape Tape that I had known and loved and have been using for so long. And honestly, guys, this one, I mean, spoiler alert, I'll put the video link down below, but this took the cake for me. It's so creamy and it is so easy to blend and really easy to work with, so I really, really enjoyed this. I really did. I got the little one, and I think I'm actually going to go back when this is out to get a full-sized one. That's how much I love it. The next thing that I got recently was this SEPHORA brush. This end is a flat shadow brush, and then this end is a precise crease brush. And the reason that I got this was specifically for the precise crease one, but I also can always use shadow brushes in general. So if there's a flat one on there to pack on the color on the lid, I'm always for it. Oh no, I got all the lipstick on my pan. So I always forget when I swatch stuff. Gosh darn it. But the main reason that I got this is because I wanted to find a more precise crease brush. I have a pretty big fluffy one that's not as precise, but what I can do with the precise ones, and I've used it today on my eyes, as you can see, is just be a little bit more precise with deepening my crease rather than fluffing it everywhere. And yeah, so I really wanted to pick one up, but this was the same price as just a single brush, and this one was double-sided, so I mean, why not, you know? Next thing that I'm going to mention is this Clinique Dramatically, what's it called? Dramatically Different Moisturizing Gel. This is the third thing of this that I've got. Well, I got a mini one to make sure that I liked it, just one of their mini sizes, and then this is the second one of this size, the full-fledged, full-size one. Guys, this stuff is incredible. If you have oily skin, this is amazing. I don't remember the last time I found a lotion that didn't make my skin feel oily about 20 minutes after I put it on my face. Not moisturizing is not an option. You always should moisturize your skin. I hate the feeling of dry skin, and also if I don't put lotion on because I have oily skin, the oils will come out even more because my face is like, hey, you're so dry, and then it'll make more oil. It's a fun time. It's a fun time. This is a gel-based moisturizer, so it takes all that creaminess out of the formula, basically. It's more gel-like, but it does do the job. It moisturizes my face without it getting oily, and I'm obsessed with it. Again, this is my third one, so picked another one up because I ran out of my old one. And then the last thing that I'm going to mention in this Sephora haul is this Precisely My Brow Pencil by Benefit. I have seen so many people on YouTube using Benefit products, but specifically what drew me to this one was Laura Lee. This is her favorite product. I have been using on my brows for a couple years now the Anastasia Beverly Hills Hills brow pencil, and it's great. It's starting to dry up. I actually don't fill in my brows every single day, so it's starting to dry up, and I, instead of always buying the same thing besides moisturizer that I know works and I love it so much, there's always new products out there, you know, so why not try a different one? It can't be that bad, right? So I went ahead, and since so many people really like this one, I thought it was a safe bet, and it's awesome. I love it so much. The Anastasia Beverly Hills one doesn't have a very precise tip, so this was very different for me to buy. This does have a very precise tip on the end of it, whereas the Anastasia one that I have is more like thick, I would say. But it's so good. I used it on my brows today. It lets me just be a lot more precise with my brows instead of just like bulk filling them in. I get to like make little hairs where I want to, and I like how it allows me to shape my brows more precisely. Exactly what it says. So I've been really enjoying it, and I would recommend. I am in the shade, there's shades 1 through 5, and I'm in the shade 4 because my brows are pretty dark, so that's the shade I went for. That is all the products that I have recently bought at Sephora over the last month or two. See, not too much, not over the top. I just pick up little things here and there, but I wanted to gather all of them for you all and show you what I've picked up recently and how I've been liking everything. So, thank you all so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, do not forget to give it a big old thumbs up because it lets me know that you liked it. And if you're new here and have watched all the way to the end of the video, smash the subscribe button. I would really appreciate it. I would love to have you along in our little family we have over here on YouTube. I appreciate each and every single one of you who come in, watch my videos, comment super sweet things. I really, really do, and I will catch all of you next time. See you later!